Last time in the workshop was a phono preamp with a hefty price tag of £25,000. It was ironically sent to me for repair by the manufacturer, who said I wouldn't be able to repair it. Weird. But I did repair it, and 252,000 people who saw the video saw how I did it. But that video's gone, and it's been taken down for an apparent copyright infringement. And nowhere does it say where the copyrighted material is. So I've no idea how to defend it. If I look at this, info available on request, it just tells me to email copyright@youtube.com, and I've done that, and to be honest, I didn't get very far. All I've asked them so far is for details of the claim, which they haven't provided, but they've taken my question as a counterclaim and then declined to pass it on. Very strange. The video followed the standard format. I started with my 3-step process, and stage 1 was to replicate the fault. So I plugged it in and saw what the fault was. And it did have a fault, and I think I can show it you. I don't think this bit's copyrighted. Look where the sweep's gone off the scope. Wow. Well, there's some funny stuff going on. And we appear to have lost one of the traces. Oh dear, what is going on there? That is some big ripple. He's not kidding when they said buzzing. See, this is my scope, and it's using my electricity. They even let you have a service manual and drawings and everything. Good company, this one. Tektronix. I did take a look at their website. Now, that could be copyrighted. It could be that. Doesn't say, I don't know. But I'd like to think that was fair use, really. I mean, it's out in the public domain, and it's not unusual to look at a manufacturer's website when you're repairing something. Then I took the lid off to get to the insides. You sort of need to do that to do a repair. Now, maybe the circuit boards are copyrighted. Don't know. The insides are reminiscent of this child's toy. There were 1 or 2 tantalum caps dotted around. Actually, no, there was more. And some copper-clad blank PCBs on the top. Well, that's actually a fairly good representation of what had happened. So I had a fair bit of work to do on it. I had to fix all that mechanical damage and then work out how the circuit was working before I could fix it. Which was a bit of a challenge because there's a lot of this going on. Then we're on to stage 2 of the repair, which is understanding how the machine works. So I had to trace all those circuits so I could understand what was going on, and I put them into a little book, made my own service manual. Very handy, but not this service manual, obviously. No. But some of it looked very familiar, just like this. And that's a circuit configuration suggested by the manufacturer of the components. And that was in 1984 as well, if you were wondering. And during that process I also did some drawings and diagrams explaining the theory of operation. But you can't claim copyright on that. You can see me drawing it. Look, there's my hand. It's attached to my arm. Part of the repair was to replace some of these standoffs on the boards, but no, it wasn't those ones. It was, yeah, these ones. And at the end of the repair it turned out just to be a short circuit tantalum cap, just like this one. Oh, that shouldn't be there. You didn't see that. So that's the story of the video that got taken down. I don't know if there'll be any more of it to come. And I keep waiting for the post to see what turns up. But all that's arrived so far is this. And it's quite the honour. So it's not all bad news, and thanks to everyone who subscribed. It means a lot. I'm still waiting for more things to come in the post, mainly parts. My next repair video is a little bit delayed because I'm waiting for the postman again. So, you'll have to wait. Catch you next time.